Good morning and welcome to Good Farms. My name is Matt Conroy. I'm the district manager here in Oxnard at our Oxnard facility where we grow strawberries of multiple varieties and of multiple seasonalities. Part of what makes Good Farms great, our ability to not only manage the farm, the soils, and the minuscule environment that goes around our plants, but the healthy relationships that we have with all of our employees, or co-workers is what I call them. Part of our mission here at Good Farms is to not only grow the best strawberry, the best fruits and vegetables available, is to be great stewards of the land. With that being said, we take great pride in monitoring all of the substances and all of the fertilizers and amendments that we do put into the ground to assure that not only are we giving the customer the best experience, but also making sure that our soils are being treated the same way that we would like to be treated. We go through and we are very cautious with our tillage, with our compost, with all of our amendments to replace anything that we may take or use out of the soil to leave the soil in as good, if not better condition than when we start. We're also in a constant mode of monitoring all of our waters, all of our nitrogen, all of our nitrates that we do put in the ground, as to not to contaminate or harm any of our oceans or our waterways or anything that may make it back to any type of population. Some of the different careers that are involved with agriculture. Historically, a farm worker would be looked upon as an individual that is just a hard-working individual. We are also branching out into newer careers where we need individuals that are highly versed with computers, with technologies. Out here on this ranch, we do employ different robotics. So we deal with robots. So as far as careers and job tracks are concerned for students, we are looking for individuals that have those tasks as we move forward through schools and gaining the knowledge, not only based in ag, but in computer sciences. That's a big driver in agriculture right now. This is a industry based on knowledge, an industry based on science and providing the customer the best experience possible when they bite into any and every single piece of fruit. I'd like to thank you from all of our family here at Good Farms, where we strive to improve lives from farm to table by cultivating real positive change in how we grow, harvest, and consume our fruits and vegetables. Thank you.